Stop by and take a look at the 2025 BMW iX. The BMW iX is a premium all-electric SUV that combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. With a spacious, high-tech interior, impressive range, and advanced driving dynamics, it offers a luxurious and eco-friendly driving experience, reflecting BMW's commitment to innovation and performance. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.